Hello, this is the AMOK65, the computer that AMOK gave me, with the RaspberryPI, the Nexys board, and of course they share a Kira version 2. Here is a closer lookup of it all. This is the Nexys board for the Mega65. Here we have the Raspberry Pi running BMC 64, which means I have the 64, the 128, the +4, and the PET. And this is the Kira, where I can attach joysticks, etc. to it. The Kira is powered by an external USB. So basically, when I want to connect, use the Kira with the Mega65, I need to connect the USB cable to the Mega65 board. And when I want to use the Kira with the Commodore 64 or 128 or +4 or PET, I need to use connect the cable to the Raspberry Pi. That's basically it. I hope you enjoy the tour of the AMOK65.